Hi everyone, Dave Mitchell here, and it's the end of week 3 of our Kelsall Core project in Hampton East. There's been so much done this week, really proud of the boys, so let's get into it. At the moment the fix is happening, so all the architraves and the skirting boards and everything are being installed. You can see this room has been completed, so you can see here all the architraves are around the window. We've gone around this door and all the skirting boards and everything are on. That door there has been installed as well, that new door that leads into the ensuite. And then this little room in here, we've done everything that we can as well. You can see here that all the plastering is completed. It's all been sanded. It's actually ready for paint. So at the moment we're just, as I said, doing the skirting boards and architraves in preparation to start the painting next week. You can see our electrician has been back through and he's pulled all his wires, so he's done a cut in. So some of the lights are hanging out of the ceiling now. Ceiling wise as well, there's a fan for that. And then obviously there is new smoke detectors that have been installed for safety, which is to meet regulations, etc. I've just finished waterproofing the bathroom. So that's all done now. We'll first coat, I'll come back tomorrow and final coat it. You can see there that we do that extensively in our custom shower base and then all the way around to the other side where the toilet is. You can see that new windows installed there. All the architrave is on that window. It looks fantastic. That looks really good, actually. All the ceiling in here is prepared. You can see where that heat light fan unit's going. It's all sanded, ready for paint as well. We had to modify this wall at the last minute to put inset shaving cabinets in the wall. So we just need to cut those out prior to tiling the walls, but that's all good. You can see all our cutouts there to hang the big 1800 twin bowl vanity. So we'll be, today's Friday, at the end of the third week of the build, and we'll be tiling on Monday morning, so the floor will go in. So tomorrow on Saturday, I'll come and second coat this waterproofing. Check that it's all perfect, second coat it. It's actually 3 coats. You do a primer, a first coat, put your bandage in, then do another coat over the top of that. So it's basically 2 coats at this stage and then a third to finalise to make sure it's all perfect. Being upstairs, you want it to be perfect as well. So yeah, Monday we'll be continuing on with our carpentry fix, so downstairs. I'll go down there in a minute. That big custom sliding door there, which is awesome, 2400 high and a metre wide. That looks really cool. That's been installed as well. So if we move on through downstairs, you can see all our protection is still on the spiral staircase, and there's been a lot of modifications down here. So you can see here this whole wall's been modified. There was a cupboard in that wall there. We've now just got that nib wall. There's really cool shelving to go between those 2 walls. So a lot of work done by our plasterers with all the square setting everywhere. And then we shortened or made that opening bigger. And there's another custom 1 metre wide by 2400 high door in that opening there, and that leads through to the kitchen, so that makes it a lot more accessible thoroughfare when the door's not shut. There's a really cool little corner seating area going in here, all custom. And if you look across here this way now, you'll see that little nib wall that we've done with a bulkhead. There's obviously structural timber in that across there that we had to leave in place, and you can see where that flooring's been repaired there. There used to be a return air for the ducted system that wasn't used anymore. So there's really cool custom cabinetry to go in there. Can't wait to show you. And then in this area here, if I go back this way, got Gunther on site, the boss is on site. We built that wall there, if you remember me telling you in the last video, so that never used to be there. That's actually an extension of the bedroom. And on this side of the wall is open shelving. So that's going to look really cool. It's all custom. We've got to put a new door here on this door as well. If we go through to bedroom number 2 or 3, you'll see that this is all square set now. And yeah, looking really cool. We've got the boss on site. Hey, puppies. And square set bulkhead over the top, so then we'll have like a shadow line on the left hand side for where the wardrobe's going, and then on the right hand side here we've got a custom desk in this bedroom, and then shelving above the desk, so that's going to be really functional. We've actually got to swing this door, rehang it so it swings the other way, so for better access into the bedroom. So that's it for the end of week 3, which is pretty cool. Better leave the dog there. Pretty cool. There's been a lot done. So obviously we're just getting through the architraves and skirting today in prep for painters Monday, and then tiling as well. Thanks for watching.